Good morning, student. Today we will see the factors affecting on the rate of reaction. So let us see one by one. While converting the reactant into the product, the number of factors govern the rate of reaction. The first important factor which affect on rate of reaction is concentration of reactant. Concentration of reactant, as concentration increases, the rate of reaction is also increases. So as the concentration increases, the rate of reaction is also increases. It is directly proportional to the rate of reaction. The second important factor is the nature of reactant. Nature of reactants. The nature or the bond in a molecule influences the rate of reaction at which it changes into the products. Means we have seen that the energy is required to break the bond. As the less energy is required to break the bond, then more will be the rate of reaction, or more faster will be the conversion of reactant into the product. Third kind of the factor is very important, and it is temperature. Reaction rates are normally favored by increase of temperature. The temperature effects is expressed in terms of the temperature coefficient, which is the ratio of the velocity constant of the reaction at two temperature differing by 10 degrees Celsius. For most of the reactions, the rate is doubled for every 10 degrees Celsius rise in temperature. So write down this important sentence: for most of the reaction, the rate is doubled for every 10 degrees Celsius, doubled for every 10 degrees Celsius rise in temperature. Remember this sentence because we have to solve the previously asked question on the same topic. Then fourth is the presence of catalyst. The rate of reaction is highly governed by the presence of catalyst. Presence of catalyst. A catalyst is a substance which alters the reaction rate but itself remains unchanged in amount and the chemical composition at the end of the reaction. Actually, the reactants in a reaction have to cross an energy barrier to form the products. The higher the energy barrier, the slower in the reaction rate. A catalyst provides a new reaction path with the lower energy barrier so that more and more reactants molecule can form the product if there is an catalyst. The same can be seen in the graph like this. The activation energy, if we plot the graph of the activation energy, this is then the activation energy in presence of catalyst, and this is the activation energy in absence of catalyst. So activation energy is reduced due to the presence of catalyst. Hence, due to the presence of catalyst, the rate of reaction increases. Rate of reaction increases. Next factor affects on the rate of reaction is surface area of reactant. surface area of reactants. The rate of reactants increases as the surface area of reactant increases. As we know, the finer substances react faster than the granules or the bigger surface area. The rate of reaction increases as the surface area of reactant increases. And the last factor, but important, is the presence of light. Presence of light. The reaction rate normally becomes faster in the presence of light. Light gives the necessary activation energy for the starting of the reaction. So the presence of light will be increases the rate of reaction, but not all the reaction. It is for. See the sample problem on the same factors affecting on the rate of reaction. The velocity constant of the reaction at 290 Kelvin was found to be 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 3 at 300 Kelvin. It will be the velocity constant is equals to 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 3 at 290 Kelvin. So what will be the velocity of constant at 300 Kelvin? See, the temperature is raised from 290 Kelvin to 300 Kelvin is by 10 degree. Already we have seen that the velocity constant becomes double by increasing the temperature by 10 degrees Celsius. Means if the temperature is raised by 10 degrees Celsius, then velocity constant becomes double. So answer will be 2 into 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 3. 10 raised to minus 3, and it will be a 6.4 into 10 raised to minus 3, and here the C option is correct one. So this is all the rate of reaction or the factors affecting on a rate of reaction. In next lecture we will see the units of rate constant and molecularity of reactions. Still subscribe my channel, share and press the bell icon, so whenever I add the new video you will get the notification. Thank you.